To activate a Walmart gift card, start by locating the gift card you want to activate. It should have a 16-digit card number and a 4-digit PIN. Next, visit the Walmart website or go to a Walmart store. If you are at a store, proceed to the customer service desk and let them know you want to activate your gift card. They will ask for the card number and PIN. And once they have this information, they will activate the card for you. If you are activating the card online, go to the Walmart website and click on the gift card section. Select the option to activate or redeem a gift card. Enter the 16-digit card number and the 4-digit PIN, and then click Submit. You will receive an email confirmation once the card has been activated. To redeem a Walmart gift card, shop online or in-store and proceed to checkout. During checkout, select the gift card option as your payment method. Enter the 16-digit card number and the 4-digit PIN, and the amount of the gift card will be applied to your purchase. You can also use your gift card to purchase other gift cards or to pay for services such as photo printing. It is important to keep track of your gift card balance. You can do this online or by calling the number on the back of the card. Make sure to keep your gift card and PIN in a safe place, as you will need this information to make purchases or check your balance. Remember, Walmart gift cards do not expire and there are no fees associated with using them. You can also reload your gift card at any time by visiting a Walmart store or by calling the number on the back of the card. By following these steps, you can easily activate and redeem your Walmart gift card and start shopping online or in store today.